What happens if you're facing a hardship with the IRS? Who can help? Hi, I am Juliana. I'm an enrolled agent living in Texas. I have a master's in taxation and a history of working at the IRS. I like to cover some of my experiences at the IRS as well as things that you might run into in tax or with the IRS in general. So if any of that interests you, then come along. With the IRS, you can potentially run into some big problems. When that happens, what do you do? Who can help? There might be times where there's timelines. The IRS does have procedures and timelines. They're supposed to send you letters, respond to you, finish an exam, do something within a certain amount of time. What happens if they don't do that? Do you have any rights or recourse? What happens if they're doing everything wrong? I've read news articles about how they incorrectly deposited a refund, an exorbitant amount in someone's account mistakenly, and that person kept trying to give it back, but the IRS kept refusing. And then much later, the IRS realized the mistake, wanted it back, but they also wanted interest and penalties. That's wrong. So what do you do? Well, there is a separate organization within the IRS. Actually, maybe it's a department, but they are supposed to be independent. They're called the Taxpayer Advocate Service. This department is designed specifically to help taxpayers. Whether you're facing a hardship, you need your refund immediately, you need it faster than normal processing times, there's some delay and they need to help get it unstuck for you. There's a delay in something in the procedures. You need assistance because you are low income and you may qualify to have free tax preparation. You're facing a hardship and you can't afford to pay. This group, they can help. I was just looking at their website because the last real interaction I had with them was a very long time ago, and they have updated it. You can submit requests yourself through their website, from my understanding. You can also call into the IRS still and request them to submit a request for you. This website is an excellent source of information. They can give you your rights. Taxpayers have rights. The IRS can't just do whatever they want to you. You do have rights. You can do a lot of things on your own, and you can stand up for yourself. But sometimes you need help and you can't afford it. This group is there to help you. But my last interaction with them, and my understanding is they are swamped. A lot of people have hardships. A lot of people need help. A lot of people are in financial distress. So about 15 years ago, when I was submitting claims for people on, it's a form called 911, appropriately named, they had like a 72-hour turnaround where they were required to contact the taxpayer who needed assistance. My understanding is that has been delayed. The procedures may stay the same, but I don't know if they're actually physically able to fill those parameters anymore. So the wait time may be a lot longer, but they try to assist all the people who qualify. And you can read through their website. If you qualify, a lot of these are financial hardships or significant delays in the IRS system that will cause a hardship for you. So they want to help, they want to ease the burden so that while they still want to be able to collect taxes, they want to make it so that it's feasible for you to still live. So if you are experiencing anything that you think might qualify, please check out their website. I'll include it in the summary section, whatever that's called. I'm not big on understanding how TikTok works, but I will also say that it is www.taxpayeradvocate.irs.gov. So it is part of the IRS, but it is also independent.